Hi there, name's Yogan and Yogan for short, and I'm interested in applying for a position as a maker mold engineer in your research and development division. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering in UTM Skudai, majoring in electrical electronics, minoring in medical electronics. I'm also a diploma holder in mechatronics engineering in UTM Kuala Lumpur. So in a nutshell, my field of study encompasses four fields of engineering. They are mechanical. Electrical. Electronics. Medical. During my diploma days, we as engineers to be thrive on the balance between practical and theoretical applications. I've been blessed to be exposed to various forms of electronic devices such as the F4, CP14 FPGAs to the conventional and commercial student-friendly Arduinos. I've also dealt with multiple projects that utilizes the CAD and CAM software, which is then heavily utilized in my final year project, which is the Smart House. Not only did my Smart House win the award for the best innovative project, I've also had the opportunity for that project to be compensated by my university as well. In terms of my working background, I've helped my father run his business whenever I'm down during my semester breaks. He owns a cross between a barber shop and a sundry shop. So not only did I manage to sharpen my interpersonal skills, I've also learned the tricks of the trade. For example, how to deal with customers of different backgrounds, managing a company from the top-down level, regardless of the size of the company. And I believe that this is vital in the sales and marketing sector of any company, which I feel it's a current trend that is missing from a lot of people from today. As for my diploma, I did my industrial training in Renaissance Semiconductor Assembly in Bahrain, a company that deals with the productions of semiconductors from silicon until shipment. I was placed in the wire bonding division, a division that dealt with the stitching of gold wires from the lead frame onto respective IC chips. Not only that, my job scope encompasses me facilitating field technicians to maintain 436 wire bonding machines. At the time, I was the only intern for the first 2 months, so I've been exposed to as much as possible, such as liaising with suppliers to order parts that are lacking or needed under supervision, of course. Once the new interns came in, I was elected as team leader, as I'm the most experienced of them all. So that allowed me to distribute tasks efficiently among them in the least amount of time. I also was blessed to handle one of the most major projects in my division at the time, which was to migrate the entire machines to an isolated server without having to affect production rate and cost. So that took about a month to completely isolate 436 machines. And finally, I helped to supervise the floor to maintain a 5S standard while following the ISO guidelines on a regular basis. I believe I'll be a great addition to your company as most of my capabilities are in line with your vision. For example, I'm very meticulous when it comes to my work, as I feel it's better to spend 5 minutes just to be a little extra or on the edge than to have to spend 30 minutes just because I decided to slack. Apart from that, efficiency is of the utmost importance for me, where I like to give the most of my output with the least amount of input. If I can find a way which is legal and safe, while it being faster and with less amount of effort, then I sincerely believe why not you should do it. Apart from that, I've dealt with multiple softwares during my education stay in UTM. Such educational skills entail MATLAB, Borderland C++, Multisim, AutoCAD, Autodesk, and many other compilers as well. Finally, what I really like to stress upon myself is that if you cannot finish our work within the stipulated time, then what are we? As production engineers in your company, I feel that this is a core belief among engineers. So thank you for your time, and I hope you considered me.